Hello and welcome. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. Today I'll be doing this Dutch board. So last week I did this piece and I said I was going to do a square around it. However, I thought the design could not support that square. I thought that this square would overpower it, so I did it on this piece instead. And also I went ahead and embellished this piece. I added the 3 butterflies to it and I used resin to do that. So let's get to today's design. I'm doing it on a 10 by 10 Garnet canvas. It's a split background, half black, half white. The colors will be listed in the description below. However, there are Jenkins green, it will be a garnet, nickel azlo, yellow ochre, and an iridescent gold. So if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. It would really help my channel. Also, if you could watch the video to the end, trying to get the number of watched hours to become monetized, and I'm not even halfway there yet. So just watching the video from start to finish will also help my channel to grow. And sharing. So if you have anything that you want me to try, a color palette, or perhaps even a technique, leave it in the description below. So without further ado, let's get to the video. I am Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. Creating is what we do.